Ayo, what's going on, everybody? My name's Derek, and this is Fatal RPM. All right, so in today's video, I actually have something very interesting for our 335 here. Now, unfortunately, this is not me finishing the air installation. That's mainly because I ran into slight of an issue. And if you want to figure out what that issue is, go ahead and just stick around till the end of the video. I'll throw it up there somewhere and go a little bit more into depth on the issue I'm having. But in today's video, I'm actually going to be installing something that's actually kind of affordable when you think about it, when it comes to BMWs at least, and it's going to really transform the use of the car. And what that is in this box here. It is the Wakaa head unit, and with this, we're able to get Android Auto and Apple Carplay in our cars for around 300 bucks. Now for an additional 20 bucks, you can also get the backup camera, and all you gotta do is just run that wire back to the trunk so that you're able to wire it in. And in addition to that, this is also touchscreen, unlike the CCC head units, which is what we have now. So opening up the box, you can see the first thing on top is going to be, like I said, the backup camera, which is an option I ordered, as well as a wire loom, and last but not least, it's going to be the head unit. So let's go ahead, jump in, because all we really need to get this job done is a little plastic prior, as well as a T10 Torx. So let's go ahead, hop in the car, get this thing installed. All right, so once we're here in the car, we're just gonna take our T10 and go ahead and remove these bolts up here. Now, this may look a little weird, and that's because I'm using a bit from a screwdriver set, but the screwdriver actually couldn't get all the way up in here. So we're gonna go ahead, crack these bolts free. Accidentally turned on my hazards. 1 and 2. So once we get these out, we should be able to just get back in here and, yep, pull this guy forward. So let's go ahead, pull it forward. Looks like we have 2 sets of wires here on the back. Let's go ahead and unhook those. Let's go ahead and give it a little wiggle. Yep, there it goes. All right, didn't cut myself, luckily. And go ahead and remove the other one as well. There we go, head unit's out. Once you get this out, what we're gonna then do is take off this trim piece. Cool, popped right out. From there. There you go. So we're gonna go ahead, unplug the start-stop button. If I can do this from back here. There you go. Start-stop is unplugged. Don't want to lose that in the depths of the dash. Yep. All right. Press this out from the back so that I can unplug it a little easier. Go ahead and pull this out and set it aside. Now from here, I assume a lot of this is just going to be clips, which is what someone always says before they really destroy something. So there you go. Like I said, all clips. Actually really easy. I'm gonna try and do the pry method. So, hey, that worked a lot better. I'm being very gentle with this when I pull. I'm not just yanking at it because I'm trying not to break any clips, but it's like we got this out of the way. Just seeing those 2 screws. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these guys out. Oh, there's 2 more. Well, 1 more. One's missing. I'm guessing someone went to do something before, like I keep finding out on this car, and didn't put things back together correctly. Yep, that's all that was. Okay, we're gonna do e-brake. All right, e-brake. I need my power button. Where's my power button? It's a squeeze. All right, got my power button. Go ahead ahead, plug that in so that I can get that out the way. Go ahead and turn it back off. There we go. Yeah, I can't take my key out, sir. Shut up, I need you to stop. Pull up on the clip in the back, and there you go, falls right off. All right, so we gotta transfer over the 2 cables down on the bottom here. At least this is my case. These 2 slots are empty. So we're gonna go ahead and move these 2 over here. So if we compare the 2 here, see it has a pass through for everything right here, but we need to move over the optical cables from the other ones. You can see the light coming through there. So you go ahead and move this over here. And all that's needed for that, it looks like, is just a pick. Yep, that's it. Let's go ahead and transfer it over to the donor, or not the donor, but the pass-through. All right, got that transferred over. And that's all it looks like. All right, so after we plug this guy in, I had to take out this little blue guy, and all you need to do is press on the little blue part there and pull it out, or slide your finger across the front and it will slide down. And then you can go ahead and plug this guy in. After that, all we're gonna do is we have the aux cable here, and we're gonna go ahead and plug in, and we're going to run that under here into the armrest. All right, so I took this all apart a lot more than I really needed to, only to show you guys where you can pass this aux cable through. So the best place I could find where it's not a whole bunch of pulling stuff apart, it's gonna be right here in the back. You can actually run it under this piece of black plastic here, and it'll come out the center down here, as you can see. So you just take one end here, slide it under, and there you go. So now all I got to do is plug all this back up, and yeah, so let's do that. All right, so now we're just gonna route the remainder of the cable up the side here, and hopefully not have an air leak from any of my vents. All right, let's plug back up. Ooh, yeah, this is under a lot of tension. Turn the power on, and uh-oh, that's not good. There it goes. Hey, look at that. Works without the ground. Interestingly enough. All right, so let's go ahead and stuff this shit back in here. Which is, wait a minute, original car. Oh, that's not right at all. Oh my God, that display is so off. So, in order for me to be able to record this, I needed to turn on the car. It works, question mark? I mean, that's not how that's supposed to look. Does it still work? Oh, I pressed the button and it went down. I'm gonna try and wedge this into place for now. All right, let's see, does it work? I press the, oh, yeah, it works. It's just way off. I don't know why is it like that? Oh shit, there's a SD card right there. SD card reader. Wait, what are the two hold on, is that a microphone? One of those is probably a microphone. This is interesting. It didn't say it had any of this stuff on there. So let's see, setup. Mirror. The fuck is it? Huh? What is? I don't know what that is. So let's go here. Okay, that doesn't, I don't know what that does. So unfortunately there's no manual for this, so you just gotta figure it out on your own. I don't know what mirror is, so I'm gonna turn that back off since it wasn't. I'm going to turn that back off. Maybe. All right, so I had to turn on my car, but I don't know what is going on here. Factory settings, version. This gives me my version information. I'm confused. So I guess we're stuck with our quarter of a screen here. I don't know why it's at a quarter of the resolution, but maybe I have to factory reset it or something. Maybe that's what this is for. That doesn't feel like a button. Oh, I accidentally touched the screen. Yeah, that's 100% not a button. The cool thing is it automatically goes to aux whenever you tap the screen. So it's going to automatically start playing your music. You don't have to like hotkey it, even though I have my aux hotkey to 1. But yeah, I don't know. This is weird. Okay, I'll figure this out at some point. But this is pretty cool. I wish I could play some music, but even though I can't, what I can do is this. So we're gonna go ahead, go into my Bluetooth here, or my Wi-Fi, and we're gonna connect to Wi-Fi Carplay. As you can see there, that's like default stuff. So we're gonna go here. We got Carplay. It's probably not focusing on it at all because of the flashlight, but see, is this gonna work? Oh, why did it go to Delta Wi-Fi? What? That was weird. All right, join. And let's see, gonna have, it says Bluetooth is not connected. I mean, that's fine. Weak security, low data mode. That's not the point of this. It doesn't have internet. It's not what it's for. Let's connect to Bluetooth as well. There's so much stuff in here. Just ignore the giant list of stuff every single time I go somewhere. Let it sync my contacts. Hey, the Bluetooth is the way it works. Let's get it. Use CarPlay. And don't be a quarter resolution, please. There it goes. Okay, that is not something I want to see. It's gonna blur that out. All right, so we're gonna go, and it's still on the screen. Okay. Let's not get the whole address. All right, so here we go. We got YouTube music. Let's just play like a few seconds of something that's in my playlist here. Hey, let's go. So that's absolutely amazing. I'm so hyped to finally have this in my car because I've had this for the longest time and it's annoying. That's the easiest way to put it. It's annoying. But yeah, this is a super dope product. I really do like it. The installation, if they included a manual with it, it would be fine. But even their user manual on their website isn't really a user manual whatsoever. So hopefully they give something out to help people out with this installation, or else you're just kind of gonna have to search YouTube. But I mean, hey, this is what this is here for. So I guess this is how to install the Wakaa head unit. So without further ado, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and like it down below. Like I said, so the issue I ran into with my airbag setup is with the car, actually, believe it or not. So what happened is one of my control arms is stuck on the car because I was able to get the nut off the bolt for the control arm, the rear control arm. I'm going to put it on the screen here, but I was able to get it off, but the bolt is corroded inside of the control arm, and no amount of hammering or anything seems to be doing the job. I've been trying to turn it with the impact wrench. That wasn't working at all. Breaker bar wasn't doing anything, it kept popping off. So I need to figure something out as far as how to get that out. I need to see if there's a way for me to soak corrosion, but until then, I'm gonna have to postpone it, which really sucks because I technically have it partially installed, but it can't really do anything because it's just one bag. So that's gonna be it for me. I'm really hoping that the next video is gonna be the bag install. If it's not the next video, it will be the one after. This is one of the last things I have left for the 335 to install. So we're going to go over to the Z31 from here on out after we finish the bag install, or unless I can't finish it, that's what we'll be starting on. I am wanting to go to the track, however, or not the track, but the drag strip here pretty soon. So if anybody be interested in seeing, like, I want to say like a tune comparison for MHT, go ahead and let me know down in the comments, or go ahead, definitely leave a like with a comment down there. If someone already says, hey, I want to see it, like that comment so I can see if people actually want to see it. That depends on how many views this video gets in the first place. But anyway, I'm rambling. Want to thank you for watching. Like I said before, go ahead and like the video if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe, as well as hit the bell icon right next to it so you get notified whenever I drop a new video for my 335xi or my 86 300ZX. But as always, thanks again. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one. I recall